Hello friends, today I am going to talk to you in Trend 18, in which Make in India has a lot of contribution from Modi ji. Talking about the most useful technology in the train, there is a technology of our India under Make in India. To fulfill the dream of Modi ji, Make in India, Medha Servo Drives, which is India company, has built control system and traction system in this train. The company has also built control system and traction motor, alternator of Alco Loco, HHP Loco, DMU Loco, ACMU train and Kolkata Metro. I want Modi ji to choose a company under the Make in India for the construction for other locomotive and train at it in the future. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my video.